Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer using WAMP server. This will allow you to develop your WordPress website locally, without needing to upload it to a web server every time you make changes. First, you'll need to download the latest version of WordPress from the official website. Click on Download WordPress button. Next, you'll need to download and install WAMP server from the official website. Once you've done that, open up the WAMP server and make sure it's running. Go to Drive which you have installed WAMP server, then click on WAMP64. Once you've downloaded it, extract the files to the www folder in your WAMP server installation directory. Now create a directory folder here. Go to Download folder, extract the WordPress file. Copy the files from WordPress extract file. Then, paste them in the www folder in your WAMP server installation directory. Now, open up your web browser and type localhost / the directory name given, in our case test site. This will start the WordPress installation process. First, select your language and click Continue. Next, you'll need to create a new database for your WordPress installation. To do this, open up phpMyAdmin in your web browser by going to localhost / phpMyAdmin, or tap localhost and click here. Then, open this page, type root in the username field and leave the password field blank. Then, click on Go button. From here, click on the Databases tab and enter a name for your new database. And click Create to create the database. Then, click on Let's Go button. Type the created database name in the database name input field. And type root in the username field, and the password field will be blank. Then, click Submit button. Click Run Installation. Type a title for your website, and create a personal username and password. Enter your email. Then, click on Install WordPress button. Next, click Login, type your personal username and password, and click on Login button. And that's it. You've now installed WordPress successfully on your computer using WAMP server. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.